I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I have a kid in my class who is a buddy to their single parent, and they want to treat me the same. I don't listen to, "Hey dude," or "Hey girl, hey." Is there a way to teach in the moment that they can't do this and still have a good relationship with them? First and foremost, I don't want to pass judgment over their relationship with their parent. It's difficult, and parents often don't have a lot of time with their kids. And so they try to have the best time they can when they're not working or not getting ready for school the next day, and especially if they're not sharing parenting with another adult in their home. So that's on, that part. So I don't want to pass judgment on that. But I am not going to have a kid, and I've had this happen to me several times. "Hey, dude." It's like, yeah, I am not your dude, right? And then we know that this happens when people do relate to their kids more as their equal versus parent-child. So they're going to carry that to school. Absolutely let them know that that's not okay, but not in a punitive way. I can just say, "Member, teacher, school." Remember, always use as little words as possible. And I recommend this a lot because I don't need to give kids big explanations as to why they can't say, "Hey girl, hey, how's things going?" It might be something they saw on social media. They might even been watching it with their parent. Who knows? But that's not my call to make. So I say to them, "Nope, my name is Miss Polly." And that's it. And that's all I need to do. I don't have to say, "How should you be talking to me? How should you address me as a teacher?" Nope. I just say, "Oh, nope, I'm Miss Polly," or "I'm Mrs. Bath," whatever it needs to be. And we move on. Because if I come at them with, "That's not okay to say to an adult," I could be kind of sending the message that I don't agree with their parents' point of view. And that's going to make it harder for me to maintain that relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.